I thought you are preaching for peace. The peace is not for everybody. So I want you to understand this fact. The peace we are preaching here is not for everybody. Reasons I will give it to you. Maryam Justice is the only one you know getting a legal issue. And that is the only one that want peace. Maryam Justice want peace. Ogechi also want peace. Other ones need, they are going illegal. They don't want peace. They want war. Onye ọhụrụ nwere nsogbu with anybody. Chọrọ udo, ịkpọ police. Ejene udo. And that is exactly what Maryam Justice did. That is why we are respecting her. Police awụrụ ka egbu oki. Police awụrụ ka ene ihe na oke gini ka ekpere na abụọ udo in a normal gini way. That is the reason. If you go to abroad, you have an issue with someone. About police are just kedu ihe na-ese no. Akpọ na abụọ enelu na udo. That is police for you. You know that? Now, all this set of people, I will repeat their name. I just want to address this once for all. Those that don't want peace. When you know them, you watch their programs, you listen to their utterances, you will understand that they don't want what? Peace. As a wise person is to avoid such individuals. In other, Madeka DJ Fashebu, she don't want peace. Madeka Juliana Halotuago, Vivian, she don't want peace. Madeka Innocent Chimwiheme Akajinjinvenza, he don't want peace. Madeka Kingsley Nchekuvedo, Agidi Malaysia, he don't want peace. Madeka Intelligent Onyoshi, he don't want peace. Madeka Cynthia Mariaka Ugedenaja, up to 30,000, she don't want peace. Madeka Nena de la Nedo, the auto seller, and Italian color son is sending receipt, she don't want peace. Madeka don't want peace. Mondeka also that is the kind of boy. He don't want peace. All this set of people, Nkechi Dengo, don't want peace. They go problem on social media since 2017 till today. I'm not gonna abandon a book here. Ogechi have come out in so many ways. Apologize to all of the email one long her first. She came out and apologized to all of them and laid the tears. They refuse to behold the tears. They continue in fight. They continue infecting her on this social network. So tell me the kind of peace you want me to preach to such individuals. Tell me the kind of peace you are expecting me to preach to them. When they have chosen their path, the reasonable men and women always look for peace with all their strength. Ogechi Okeke Njaka want peace. She wants everybody to be on their reign. But they are intimidating her. They are trying to shut her up. And she said no to that. That is why they continue. All working over me when I feel this and what take it in me. Egakose. Venza and Kingsley. Don't, if this in Kose, then we're making under depression. How the only way they eat food Only way they scam people to make money. I am telling you the honest truth. That is why they will fabricate one allegation, bring it on social media. You know what? Kingsley, I appreciate you. Somebody on the phone and say no. Kudos for the wonderful message you delivered. Now I'm here the Kingsley in a 3 not platform here. You know that sometimes people don't even know what they are doing. You are playing my program in the morning on your program, and everything in that honest truth that is involved. Need your voice note, then not that you Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Need your voice note, then not that you Ogechi. Need get 3 kitana. I'm not to say I can't find the voice note. But when he did, when voice note it was go see no, even not that you Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You know, I thought those kind of things. Are you sure you were a pastor? Your caption is still that. Yes, I am a pastor of Saga. Man of God under Saga. And only one of God under Saga had no gentle now. Are you expecting it to be gentle? We log it everywhere. All the man of God, all man of God under Saga. So that is it. So when he has it from me. Now, Gente. Kingsley nchekwube when he honor. I challenge you going several times. Gwando were your business. This is what I am doing for a living. You couldn't be able to tell the world this is what you do for a living. Kingsley, I Charistus, the fearless prophet. I am selling motor pass here in Angola. Motor pass. Oh, Nele. Hyundai, Toyota, Kia, Ford, Nissan. Nda basically na ya. Mazda, Peugeot, Audi, Mercedes. These are the items I do sell. Kedum keginwa neme as a man. That is the challenge I have given to you in so many ways. But you couldn't be able to come out and tell them your job. You guys should stop using Maryam Justice for your program. Oh, we have a poop here. Maryam Justice and Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Only on a healing way. You know, women take their time on doing things. Ogechi no a heal. Ihe Maryam Justice in the Maryam Justice no a heal. Ihe Ogechi in the later they will still come closer. I said no. Now I can on one day. Now forgive. Either have Bob you know that? You people should stop fighting for her. If I Charistus have problem with Maryam Justice, it's our own problem. Which Maryam Justice know that we don't have problem. I love that woman. That woman also love Charistus. You know about that. Forget here that she know that I am saying the honest truth on social media. Muna ya de panamwa. Oh, you saga we na cause the problem. Different parties. I don't blame her on certain things. Are you getting my point? So if there is an issue between me and Maryam Justice, I have worked a settle here. You don't talk about those things. Is a humble woman. All no push you far on certain things. You don't talk about those kind of things. So you guys should stop fighting for her on my behalf. Let it deal between me and her. Oh, you're not talking about that. Why are you people fighting for them not to settle? Because Ndori Mauri de water. Ndori Ndori. Because and Ogechi may make money. We understand the game. We understand the game. Ndoli. Olu nwere gị na nkịta na-emechiri ihe ọ na-emerụ echi nwere Justice akpọ na phone. Anyị akpa nkata ka nwanne na nwanne. Unu na-anọkwa ebe na-anụ ọgụ. Ogalistus Igbo zuru nwere Justice si ya bara mere gị next day. This is one next day go long. Nke a na nke unu are too small. Onye ọ na-amara go the game unu dey-play is a little game. Let me go to Ninadela Nedo first before any other thing. Somebody saying that my capture is very bad. Listen, when you are listening to this gospel, you will understand that the capture is not bad. The capture merits it. I can't just come out and write something just for writing sake. It's for a reason and purpose. Listen, you can see your mind. You can learn one knowledge or the other. That is why I do tell anyone that is coming across of our program, just open your mindset. You will get one wisdom or the other. This is what we appreciate. If you come across of our page for the first time, click a following button and also share this video. You are going to learn one or two things on our program. Yeah, I greet you. Good evening. Now, Neither authors must get justice from right and money. Kingsley and Jinjin, shame on you people. Listen. Miradela Nedo, a useless harlot, can never go on silent. She must come out of media to be stressing herself. She must come out on media to shout. But first of all, if Mirabel can never get justice from right, and that woman she called mommy on 2 videos, Mirabel can never get justice for her autos anymore. That autos have expired. That autos can never get justice. Because the one of bright, she sent it on Messenger. Not even WhatsApp. Unanya sometime ago, na bono send na Mirabel autos. Asia share that week, yeah, say she has in here. Kaiman or game or gather silent all the raketa. Komano Yejia Kaya do way or the honey and not go too much since 2019. But she refused. Instead, she go to our brother Lucky Udi to blackmail Ogechi again and her followers. We, the followers of Ogechi Okeke Njaka, decided that the world must know the truth. I, the supporter of Ogechi Okeke Njaka, decided on my own that the world must know the truth. The authors must be sharing to anyone that is supporting Mirabel, so that they are going to use their hands to judge the matter. If you go to school, don't want to go to school, don't whether you are going to then it is practical. I got practical. Practical. Enough for you and you need Jack again, those things. You need Jack again, Georgia. You Jack one more injection. You Jack a good with your mother. You Jack a good drip or nano. Energy is, I mean, one of the kind of sickness in Aya. One of the checking engine, a check it, yes, this is your sickness. I want to go to kind of medications again. Oh, yeah, we high no kitana. Practical mathematics. You have not seen the autos. Please, those that giving the autos, make yourself available on comment section so that they will see it. It's very, very important. Now, we put that week here. The choga. Neither the when I call I know job to ya, there you go. Which I receive some calls from main market Onitsha. Even in a business. A lot of people over there. For that video, Banaka, Eboja na Keloki. So can you hear this woman and nature? Even in they want her with all those kind of character. Even though she mentioned their name there, one hand, don't ever do this kind of thing. This woman Nadia involved nego social media the lady in a jot yacho. That Joseph Udiye na dinuno. The man na Niradel, the jot Niradel at the social media. Even when Niradel they say go those the man is aware of it. Because hunger carrying at their home that time. And they did the auto emegini na that ego. The lady in our wapuna, dear that way, Joseph that way, and neither there in our wapuna. Because of money. Okay, if you go somebody to involve me, don't be afraid, don't be ashamed of anything. Share the autos. I say so. Of course, no gets to share. Because of that, and that's why Callistus now is shouting, share. Share the autos every angle, every platform. Now, enwere nke Kingsley na akọpịrị ọsọ ihe ọwụ na mgbe nna asụsụ send the Maryam Justice dị ọtụ dị na there that na Maryam Justice na somebody kpọrọ na phone one ma ekwuzine nke egwu na etu a ka m kwuo ya again. Maryam Justice, I so much love you. Maryam Justice, you remain my sister. Maryam Justice, you need to know the truth of things you don't know. It's not being disrespect. But that is the fact. Whenever you know the truth and you compromise it, God always punishes people. Every guy who tells you you can Chineke na tanda mwana afu nakaya. Also neji a problem. I say it again on this media. Let the world hear my voice again. Maryam Justice need to know the truth behind the atrocities of Niradel. Maybe nobody have sent it to her. Please, I said it in my first video today, and I'm saying it again. Let somebody inbox those videos of Niradel Anedo to Maryam Justice. Yes, let somebody inbox swallow Maryam Justice those videos of Niradel Anedo. And those naked pictures I mean, age 18, number, only those had 20, only those had 17. Obum brother, obum my brother, no, Canada. So now 17 cases in the inbox there. And when they in a conversation, not 20 kahaji. Pictures, different pictures. More than 4 video. And 8 pictures, different type of pictures of Niradel. Even recently, when we go to this 2024, we say somebody that one still going viral. Inbox to inbox, inbox to inbox. If not, na Facebook, you know, here is one get the block. It told Solomon all of them on an affair complete. Then after that, you judge the matter. Or you with him each other. Niradel cannot go silent now. No matter men market on it, and I know them every day by day. Many of them are saying, man of God, preach on. What we are saying about this woman is honest truth. Niradel need to be exposed to let the world know who she is. All the other go too much. If you go away, God, Jojo, only out on social media since 2018, is still talking about it today. If not that about, she is desperate for money. Social media money. There are many things he gave and needed to make money. There are a lot of things, not sharing your focus on social network, looking for someone to blame on your circumstances. You know a name of Ogechi, now scam on the money. Enough of that nonsense. That is where I stand. So, Maryam Justice, all this state. No, Guinea. Now, more one of the kind of things you are supporting. Why your name involved on this particular thing? Niradel and Ned of social way now. Why no give a sponsor all their movements from Anambra to Abuja, and that is why I am here to make you to know the truth. when you know the truth, you can easily come out on your platform and tell the world, nah, I don't know, this is what I am sponsoring. I don't know, this is what I'm supporting for a very long time. God forgive me. You don't know that Nina Daddy is like this. I don't know that this lady is so dirty like this. That is why you people need to endorse her. Many of you need use so many fake accounts. Endorse those things to her. Invest it to Maryam Justice. Now, Kingsley, if you want to cry, cry your own cry. I have said it again. In the morning, I am saying it again and again that they should endorse Maryam Justice. All the noodles of Nina, let she take her time. Nina watch, at least all my you look into all those things. After looking into it, listening to her voices on that videos. Blight, you know I love you so much. I am sorry about what happened the other day. Blight, please come online, let's talk, baby. I am sorry about what happened the other day. Blight, please, all the you delete here. Ihe akwụkwọ ihe ose n'internet na-akpọzi afọ Ogechi as it that Ogechi na-emerezi dị na dị n'ọtụ ga-agbawa gị. Dị na dị asị m gịnị na ọtụ ga-agbawa gị. Ị na-adị ebo innocent soul ebubo na o mere gị gịnị na o nyere gị aka. You guys have witnessed it. It goes everything concerning Nina and Ogechi. You guys have seen the truth. Her actions, reactions on media. You guys have seen the truth. Now, all they go castigate the process according to intelligent Ogechi. Of that, you are not. That's what she has to go through. No, she know the truth. On a castigate everybody. Ine Nina Bariago. Ikwu Bariago. Igwa ihe ọ na-eme Bariago. Ikwusi weta ego gonna you say. Listen and listen very attentively. The only mission of Nina on social media is to use her autos to make money. Apart from that, you are just wasting your time. In a here with ego, gonna ga winning. You will take ego, pussy with his or blackmail on everybody. Intelligent Ogechi says so. Uriak said it too. Kingsley also said the same thing. She is a blackmailer. You need to be aware of that. How can you watch all those videos at the end of it or you still support her? In one day for. Even one of my good friends from Maryland, I'll mention her name. She said to me, man of God, I ever regretted supporting Nina from any angle. You guys know her. Omega is it from all this nonsense for a long time. She's still my friend and my sister. Also, Nina ego. And no regret ever encountering her the day of Fucharoto Swanine. And a lady named Ogechi Kingsley. She called me man of God. I regret ever supporting Nina for all those atrocities on her commit. Since I saw the autos, I rejected that lady. There are many of them that I cannot be mentioning their names. Many of them. That is why if you want all this nonsense to stop, you have to stand on the side of the truth. You have to start what? Seeing those videos of Nina and also pictures. In order, seeing those things and the pictures, then you will never in any way think of supporting her. None of them on social media because they cannot support her. Even at this junction now, he was going outside it now on her plan for underground how she's going to come up because they go your end in share. Forget you gonna say, oh we're going to the Okuchago healing not on equal. Ogochago one in here or to Egwandowa concerning the Lanedo, which is the honest truth. Now we gang up and be sponsoring evil. Maryam Justice, you need to distance yourself from these people. Distance yourself from them. Look all around. All of them. Senseless men and senseless women. They only use your name to make money and don't get name. At this moment, all no get learn. Two of you are the one learning on media. And if they don't call your name, they don't call Ogechi's name, they will not have you. But you have to exit from those evil set of people that their target is only to make money on social media. Philip, I greet you. Their target is to use Ogechi's name and your name to make money. Look all out. That is why I am shouting every day. Some women may be disappointed, but I don't care if you are disappointed where I am. I know what I'm doing. I am not doing it to hurt anyone, but I am doing this for the world to know the truth. When someone will be destined to destroy others because of money, then you don't have any other choice to do anything that you can do to such individual. My sisters can never be useless like Mirabel. Before, if one man call you to go see a line at social media, not talk off, you will authority send him okay. At the end of it, you are not even ashamed of yourself to come out of media to talk about it, to use it to scam people. That is why Mirabel autos will be shared on media. I am saying it with full alacrity. I told you guys that this year, I had last year. And with a lot of things we have to do, what follow a procedures how it is. Mirabel is a porn star. Mirabel are sharing her records because of money. Then who will support such individual? If I come out to say that if you have Mirabel ought to share, women don't be disappointed because she deserves it. Oh no, a man, I will still say the same thing. We are preaching gospel with practical evidence. So that what? Nobody will support her anymore. When she find out that nobody is supporting her anymore on her atrocities and her evil agenda, she will withdraw. She goes silent because Guinea, you can make an attack. One in Africa, intelligent solution, they attack. Kingsley will attack. Everybody will fear. I want to see how she's going to come out to defend herself. Now she's gathering more energy because you got the year for. You got no man the trouble no you will not continue because one no man because of what ya. Up to the Ogburu was a poster, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, Ogechi cared for your thought, Ogechi shared 9 nude, Ogechi is doing this, Ogechi show it on live video, this and at the end of it all, on that chugging it in ego. Can you go to another phone? You get you sort to go. We post on social media. And then somebody called me yesterday. Now, this lady is doing well in main market on it. This lady, she is doing fantabulous. That money and her control, you're gonna business, you're gonna control about 12 million or more. Imagine such individual. Chineke goes the one opportunity. No business, no did business. Instead of the individual to focus on business, or the 10 day go social media. When I scam on the mother. Oh, go no scam, take go to where no ye. Now this saga. Only at the best friend because whenever you see the face you are making money, you will continue looking for a way to do what? To get that more money. Ihe na-ewe iwe ọ na-eji ike ekwu about me now. You guys know. Ọ dị eji ike ekwu about it because gini na m na-ehi tie the honest truth eto kwesị ka ọ dị. I don't paint words. Ọ na-aga gị up. Mgbe Chichi Ogbo na resign no. Mommy California resign no. Nne Gobidi we resign no. Nonso London resign. And so many of them resign because they find out that this lady Jaka na-ekọt ya. Insulted all of them. Now, because we are on media, everything goes. Or now, to call recruit no people. No gonna ask come. We say no to eat. No gonna easy. Oh, we them now. You have scandal enough. You have to do what? Go and look for something reasonable to do to help yourself and your family. Someone that is doing wonderful in her business. Which is what you are now and again sacrifice on social media. And people are not asking questions. Always you the people are not again. And I do ya. You may go to na social media. Na naked auto, naked na social media. Na only receive food. Or not near now was or who know the food. Even as I'm talking to you, there are some certain authors we never see. When they share the here, only how they say we go out here, new version, we go send the lie here. We want to see new version of the authors. All is very important. Different people. Not one person can send here. He send the go send the out here as a receipt. Intelligent to show her very well. And that is exactly what is actually happening. You need call to go na social media. Now actually need drain on your predicament. Imagine that. Sit down and reason with me. Right now, someone called you after na social media since 2019. Kedi ihe nere ya nwa na onwe ye ana silent. You see the old one, Asia got out here on this social media. Also, your only one, who are if we go out here on this social media. Only 1 year that girl and Carla fell, na TikTok and Ogechi Okeke. Every day on Facebook, bloggers, boy, can you hold me? Okay, to silent. I can go here. This or somebody or more I saw with the Jumo, Yoruba girl. Na art film. Daughter. Nke ahụ ọkọftara ekwu okwu ya na ino aka dey ekwu today. The answer is no. Tiwa Savage. We get the nanya gbakwara ya okwu the other day. Say na won na nke Tiwa Savage after kwara. Tiwa Savage nke ya inu na ekwu na social media. Ekwulo ya. Na-ele ofu egbu. Doctor na-ele ofu egbu nke eftala. Ekwulo na ekwu na social media. Okulo ya. You know why? They know that is their mistake. They are not blaming anybody on their triggerment because they know it's their mistake. So many people, the authors, they are this social network. You can't see them coming out to defend it. I just want a question. Kedi ihe nele Nkechi Denko and Nina Bell, they are then on social media and they defended the authors. These are the questions I'm asking all the time. Kedi reasons, Kedi purpose, Kedi aim. Nkechi Denko is 2017. Till today, Nina Bell 2019. Till today, Kedi the reasons and purposes why they are defending it. Mila Bell and they come and scam Ogechi Okeke Njaka and her followers. Ogechi find out that the woman is not a widow and started telling her, this is a very big disgrace. Now, we still consider you. We are going to collect 500,000 out of that 1,060,000 according to you. And give 500,000 to the real widows. Because since you will be scam, why you are not a widow? They already said that over my dead body, that I should bring the money. Is my sweat and my wet. Which I will know Ogechi and Co. will take the whole money. They did not make mistake. And it's not their fault. They have right to collect the whole money. Because you lied from the initial time. Which all is on the communication. Then you are still coming out. You know, a way to defend it. You know, those Ogechi Karatam. You know, now scam millions of people. They deceive millions of people on social media. That is why we said everybody must get that auto. everybody all over the world, anywhere you are, you need the author. Ị ga-afụ ndị na-eke na comment section. You know what? Ị ga-afụ ndị na-eke na comment section. To the what? You will get your own. A lot of people are evil. To destroy the truth's name has become the order of the day. Many of them choose to destroy people's career. Since 2017, 2019, you are saying about your auto on social media. For no just cost. In every no mad nisi, everyone in for hearing in social media. Praise you involved. You keep on deceiving. Hello?
Nwoke ofu ọnụ a ga-azụkwa n'ike. Nwoke a bụrụ ọnụ. Nwoke a bụrụ ọnụ zụkwa n'ike bifo Chineke akpọ gị ọkụ. Ị na-ashịa ọtọ mmadụ. Ị ga-ebu ụzọ shịa ọtọ nne gị. Bifo eshịawa nke Mirabel. Nwoke ofu ọnụ. Useless man. Chineke just dọọ gị aka na ntị. Mere gị ebere na stroke ị yara. Ka ha adịrị gị enough. Ị ka na ị na-ekwu okwu isi ọtọ. Nwoke ọnụ nkọ. Ọnụ amamihe mma akpọ na ọnụ gị dị ka ya. Mumu man. Mgbe ọbụla ị kwụsịrị isi ya ọtọ ụmụ nwaanyị. Amụ agbọwa gị. Ewu. Kwọrọ onwe gị aka. Nwunye gị ọwụ na ị nọ na nwaanyị, nwunye gị nọrọ na-ege ntị. Ege rọbish ihe na-akọ. Ọ Chineke ga-akpọ gị.
We are listening to you. Free shot.
You're a useless man.
Confirm.
Abụrụ gị ọnụ. Ọ dị ka ejighị chụọ aja na village unu. Ewu nwa arụsị. Alisha travel, remove ikpu nne gị. Remove ọhụ ure gị ahụ.
Frustration is real. Let us allow her to express her.
Frustration ga-ebu ụzọ gbuo unu. Zaga isi. Anya gị ahụ ihe na-ekpughi elu ga-ebu ụzọ akpọ. Mumu. Ndị iberibe, bunch of fools, bunch of idiots that refuse to face reality and tell themselves the truth. You guys will come together, come and be talking rubbish. Ihe na-eme ga na-enye gị ọtọ. Ị ga-asị na ị na-achọ ihe iji agbọ ncha. Useless man.
I'm just asking you a question.
Gaa jụọ hụ nne gị ajụjụ. O ma jụọ ikpu nne gị. O ma jụọ ikpu nne gị. Gaa jụọ ikpu nne gị. Mirabel ọkwa mmadụ wụ metron ha. Judas God amụgbọwa akwa gị ebe ahụ.
So, ọ na-afụgo n'ihe nụ na ọ na-afụgo ka o si dị. Frustration is real. Onda nwaanyị a na-kwue ihe na nwere ike ọ na ọ tinye na social media. Ọ nọ ize na fake account na-achụrụ depression. You know those kind of things. Anyone that hold this auto to share it to everyone. Share it to ndị Ọnịcha, ndị Mkpọ, ndị Owerri, ndị Asaba, ndị Imo steeti, ndị Ebonyi steeti, Enugu steeti, Anambra as a whole, onye ọ na-kwesịrị iji dị ọtọ. Nọ na Angola, even aga m na oge ga-ekpokọrọ ya na ndị agụata local government platform in this country. Ka a na-afụ ya because these autos need to go viral. O need ịga viral ka ụwa mara eziokwu ebe a ka m kwụ. Ụwa ka nwe eziokwu. Ezere ya na ya ala ka ọ na-etrich. Ụwa ga-ama eziokwu. Onye ọ na-eji otu niile there, let them share it to all the states in Nigeria. Ihe awụ a citizen of Anambra na art film of porn. Anyị ma onye ọwụ nwa na anyị mara nke nwa gara na-agagharị one small girl 18 years na-agagharị everywhere. We know that one. Nke ahụ bụ enough na agụgụ ihe aka ọ na-eme o ji azụ onwe ya na ị need ego from ha na go ji eji ịgbawa akwụna na advice ọ na-enye onye ahụ jee were ihe iji were nwaanyị kpara ego nke a na-ekwu nke Ghana na-ekwusi ya ike. Milliardaires are made once come out of media say if you have milliardaires or to cheer n'ọtụ nka m ji wee ruo n'elu m, ọtụ nka m ji wee na-enye ụmụazị m nri, ọtụ nka m ji azụ ụmụnne akwụkwọ, ọtụ nka m ga-eji wee ego moto na ọtụ milliardaires na-esi fu, which is true. We witness it on the social media. So anyone that has that milliardaires auto should share it to any platform. Let the world know the truth. Oh yeah, over mission. Truth is the only way.
Nwoke iberibe, nwoke akwụkwọ a, ịnwa anwa wepụ m ebe ọzọ tọnda gbagbuo gị. Ịnwa anwa wepụ, ị na-ekwu okwu Mirabel. Ichefuna na nne gị wu the senior akwụna, metron ụmụ akwụna. Ihe na-eme gị, ibu na Lisa Travel ihere gbuo oge. Nwaanyị dịka gị ịpụta na-akọ ị na-asọpọtụ ebe a na-eke ọtọ ụmụ nwaanyị. Ihe na-eme shut up gị na onye ahụ na-ekwu okwu ikpugbo ọkwa gị gbawa Ogechi gbawa idit mmidit unu na-ekwu okwu Ogechi nakwa Naijiria gị ịkwa iko nra ahụ ndị iberibe
Facebook live direct now. About the number. All Facebook live direct cover. Oh, you fake account.
Ozu nwanyị
onye ohi akwụkwụ mma report gị to Canadian Mounted Police. Onye ohi isi backyard bata Canada bụ ikwu okwu onye iberibe ojukwu agazu Canada ojukwu agazu Canada Chineke kpọrọ ọkụ anụ ọhịa zuzu mechie ọnụ ọtọ nne gị ahụ n'anya na mkpọ zuzu mechie ọnụ ọkwa nne mmadụ ọgwụ nne mmadụ ka unu
na-akparị ndị mmadụ ashawo ikpu nkịta
Callistus, I'm that woman. I'm my that woman. Oh.
Okay.
I know the woman very well. That woman, you're dear.
Okay.
You're dear. Oh, one idiot. I want you lele. Oh, lesbian call. What I mess with.
Okay.
The woman again, can we address bear? About why idea, monkey. Chineke boy. I put my email doing last week. Now your parents be idiot. If I knew what on it, Amadi Akubukwagi, born through opera show if rapid. Can I chair? Yeah, who send their package? Would you any automobile? Call the mail. Amadi Akubukwagi. Can I watch the animal? Yeah, but get away again.
Okay, now you're from this evening. Come up again, send your request. You see? Even when people you think that people don't know your voice. Somebody, one of your neighbor, all these things, many of you don't really know how it's going. Many of you don't know how it's going. In a Zuzuhari in a social media. In a people you think that you don't know your voice. They know your voice. Huh? Yeah, you're welcome.
No, I get woman leader. Thunder babu kwego babu nege. Ozu.
Okay.
Are you man enough? Bana fake account to change your nugine kwoku. Only believe around.
We make allow Can no money with the voice.
Keide otu. Keide iberibe. Nwaanyị kpọgotere Canada. Ọ nọrọ
Then
na-anara aduru. Ndị
Nanati,
iberibe. Anyị dị
why is
n'ụlọ
generation?
di wuru ha na
Why
lesbian ọ mmadụ na-eme ọ mụ na nne gị ọ nne gị kpọbara m na lesbianism.
the way not to defend here.
Ọ nne gị na nne ide akwa nga ọha ụlọ mere m ihe ọha mere m introduce ndị iberibe na-edi mkpa ọwụ na unu ji nwaanyị unu apụta nọrọ gada na-akọ maka nwaanyị ọzọ ndị nwunye unu anọrọ na-akụrụ unu aka ihere anaghị eme unu. Chineke kpọọ unu niile ọkụ. I wish na nji dynamite chụrụ unu ebe a ka o gbuo unu niile wụcha ọnụ a ka Ogechi na-akpọ ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri ndị iberibe bunch of people. Bịa Kalistus nke gị wụdụ nke ọjọọ ụmụanụ dịka gị onye agụụ dịka gị ịpụta na-akọ ndị ka gị mma ọnụ chọchịrat ka gị mma ị ya go stroke ọ kpuchie gị ọnụ story onye iberibe kwuo okwu ka nwoke ị na-ekwu okwu ka half woman hapụ ka ị ga-esi ekwu okwu ka mmadụ na-ekwu okwu ka onye agbanyere ọgwụ nkịta ọgwụ rebis n'ahụ esi na aha gị woman leader esi na ewu mmadụ ka iwe ewu anụ mpama Kalistus gaa chọọ ọrụ gị na woman leader iberibe ọnwụ na nwoke ya pụta with his real voice and his real account ka real voice oji a na-akọ mmadụ zuzu mechie ọnụ iwe useless man
come back again. Kedu ihe wee iwe go because na na-agwa ka ndị na-ekwesị ile ka ọtụ ya ọfụgodi idiot afụkwone network akụfụgodi okoko all these frustrated people let God help them. Frustrated human being ị na-achọ ka mụpụtakwa ga-ege edekọ kọlọdish na ụmụnne m ndị Igbo niile ebe ọ nọ na-anụ ọnụ m ana m akọwara ụlọ dat na there are some certain things ga-agba na-eme iwere uche gị gị na-eso ya. Eziokwu is the only option. Somebody gburu mmadụ anaghị ezo ya ezo, anaghị egosi ndị mmadụ nwa anụ ya ma gburu ihe. A na-achọ evidence present ya in court with evidence. O nwere ike ọrụ na ọma ka o jiji gbuo onye ahụ ewere mma tinye n'aka wee see ya foto as evidence gị nọ ihe a ka o ji wee gbuo onye ahụ. Not talk of somebody na-edo mmadụ allegation na social media with ọtụ ya. Kedu ihe ị ga-eji wee nwa na ọtụ ya wee ihe na-ekwu wee eziokwu ọ ị ga-achọ ka efu dị ọtụ. You go to the platform of our brother Lucky when they posted that video. Read comments. They have more than 5,000 something comments there. More than 2,000 comments is requesting to see the author before they will have something to say. In order, before they will find something to say, they need to do what? See the author first. Or have put the author hey, he could say something. Or do the reasonable enough to understand that you can't judge a matter by what? One-sided. That is exactly what happened there. And I believe that at least 1,000 something generated the authors. Every can agree with you. 1,000 something generated the thing from there. And all that hang with you, what is there? You will not see the community again to support me there. That's why you when I'm going. Only one will all Kalistus can come and speak. You as a follower have your own to do. If you don't have a fake account, create one fake account. Those ones you are seeing on comment sections and support that useless girl. were that fake account na-ekponyere ha that those things ka ha na-afụ ya. You know that miracles ought to need to be known by everyone, that in our Igbo we have a celebrity of auto, which is Mirabel. We ought to make different men. We na another ego. You know, those things. So that everybody will know that this is her job. What she do for a living is using her hand to be sharing her pekus to different men. She don't need to go silent at this moment. The world need to what? Know her with what she do, what she practice, what she stands for. Not intimidation, not blackmail, is a reality. You need to see those things. When you see it, then you will use your hand to do what? Tell yourself the honest truth. You confirm practical one, then you what? Don't be ashamed of it. Endorse those ones that are sharing it and get it. Endorse them. But when you job or public consumption, you have right to request for it. Since social media has become a beginning, everything more gonna affair. Nwa nwoke create your account. One account nwa nwoke. Who calling nwa nwoke? Any of our children that is growing up, when you will call it her. That is what the woman wants. She wants the world to see her as a porn star. That's why she's going around doing what? Sharing her echoes to the public, to the world to see. In another depression, you don't know since then. Why you never go on with it? In the emotional blackmail, that's coming one and another day on social media. A BJ, I will hear it with internet. Now, to now blackmail them all the time. Our own mistake is intentional acts. Oh, no, also one of that. I see no mistake in me. Like others, you know, who going to social media, others, those that I mentioned their name here. Many of them is a mistake. At the end of it, they did not come out and look for someone to fight. Maybe the platform can share. Hey, platform, why do you share my autos? A fight, you can't share. You fight. No, they did not do that. They realize they hide themselves in shame and disgrace because they know it is their fault. Why are you recording yourself? Why are you recording yourself and keeping it on your phone? At the end, you are looking for someone to blame on your mistake. Many women can never be in a husband's house. When they are faulty, they will fight with all their strength to defend their atrocities. That's why you don't see them humbling themselves under a man. Look at Juliana Harlot. Look at the DJ Fasheku. Look at them. Look at Sharon. You can't see them being humble. They cannot be able to live with a man because they have bad characters. They are the one that is so complicated. They see you committed on your own. You are looking for someone to blame on your circumstances, on your problem. What you hear, in an argument, so women can argue with their husband till eternity, and they know that they are at fault before they say sorry. How damage go the heart of the man. The man has become over angry. Result to it here can't and see is one of another at fault. He can never say sorry. You may claim what you are not. Look at this useless leader there. Look at her. And also sometimes this lady, the show not with thinking faculty. Because everything about her life is already damaged. That she cannot reason and confirm that she is at fault. That everything she is passing through is her fault. Who videoed you? Are you not the one that videoed yourself? Are you not the one that sent yourself to video you? Are you not the one that is certain bright in the delete? Are you not the one that says, mommy, Makina, son, not here, you can have here, I love the castretta, sit the calada, Aka, Mamukane video. On can't a poopy. Call Unkino your pal on Ace. nke ị nọ na kitchen, nke ị nọ na ebe na bed, nke ị rigoro n'elu oche, nke ị na-afọ ike, nke ị were aka gị na-abụ hụ ihe ikpugulelele see na-ese ndiri nwoke. Which word are you going to talk about? Ị na-aga na-egwuregwu ndị mmadụ on your circumstances. That is why ndị chọrọ ịnụ eziokwu ozi ọma anyị na-ezi ka anyị wee na-eti mkpu a since January. Onye ọbụla ji otu naira there, don't be stingy. Share it to people that need it. Share it. If you are someone that's been known, being respected in the society, you can create a fake account, use Oye, request for it so that you will see it. Next time, she will learn and learn in a hard way. Onufusi eziokwu, onwagezi aka George ya onwe unu. Neither they need to be left alone. Let she stand on her side. Alone. At that time, ihe agaghị ekwesị ya. If na social media akụkọ na Ogechi kere ọtọ m, Ogechi shared my nude, Ogechi shared my nude, Ogechi kere ọtọ m, Ogechi nọ nka. Ihe agaghị ekwesị efuta to say it. Because someone go na ndị ọ na-achọ ịgwa ya anwara gị eziokwu. Nghọtakwa ihe na-ekwu ihe a. Ndị ọ na-achọ ịgwa that thing, they have seen the truth and they know the truth. So what's here anything on okay to convince them? We are here to expose evil. Definitely they will believe that giving truth can never be hidden. A day will one dog gave woman. A day will come is going to rise like a morning star. Everybody will see it. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is a saint to compare to all this evil set of people. Now, let me go down to Venza and Kingsley. Kingsley was busy playing my video in the morning because on Wednesday anything on I'll get present. You have to go. You know, you don't have anything to present anymore. Why? Because the world have seen all the way they are fighting for justice, all the way they are trying to make the world to see Ogechi as an evil person. My phone number is there. Based on the call me and ask me. Those that are coming know that don't know what is actually happening. This is my phone number. You can call me a WhatsApp call. Ask me any question you want to know. Ask me. I will gently explain to you. Even that you come on the side of enemy or you come on the side of the reality. I will explain to you gently. Anything you want to ask me, you are free to ask me. In all those things. To contribute to those easy, you are free to make a call and contribute based on the gospel we are preaching. Now, Venza, innocent here. We all have seen every of your agenda. Reasons why you are fighting all these things is because of money you are making. And like I said, people like you will not allow this thing to do what? To stop. Because you are seriously making money with it. If you are not making money, if you don't take this thing as a job or business you do, I don't see reason why you will be learning this life all the time you are learning. Maryam Justice see a lot of program to use her name, you don't even recognize you anymore. When she mentioned that those that are letting children rest in peace during women on this social media, we answer for it. Because I make a mention of it on her platform. And I thank God that she has started talking about that area. You innocent here. You and this useless Apunana Maureen, very useless harlot. Now go Apunana Abuja in direction. Are you seeing her to get justice, to be under her, committing nuisance? I called that lady out and I advised her, my sister, this is a lovely message to you. Please, exit from all this nonsense you are doing. If you have a case with Ogechi Okeke Njaka, at least present here on your platform. And it is then if you are not comfortable to do what, to let go of it, go to court. Or you had say for that idiot. But she couldn't be able to do what? To do the necessary things. Instead of continue near community users. Jim Venza, I called you, brother. On this junction, when I'm just saying, not only no could see so that you people should be on your lane, that she wants to be on her lane. No, if I know you from social media, don't call me. I want to be on my lane. At the junction, the woman give on the as an individual question after saying, okay, this is the case I have with Ogechi Okeke Njaka. This is my petition. No way need to know need presently concerning that on social media. Him again, now call now wasaga. That comment users, yes, a lot of people hate Ogechi Okeke Njaka. There is no doubt of that. They are under you. As useless man, you consider all of the lawyer, present your case. In your case, present your I am now presenting my own. I called a social media since 2017, 2018 till now. Can do good results you with go nothing. Anyone will fool. At your age, 40 something years, according to you, you are born on October 1980. Till now, you are not reasonable to understand that in order social media coffee that Ogechi and Kingsley is the worst enemy that you can never forgive in this life. What did Ogechi and Kingsley did to you? Tell me what they did to you. Or what they gave me now know this evening. This idiot insulted me, humiliated me, even Ogobina. Because of common money. I don't know how much I don't give to her, to him. He come out on media and started insulting me and Ogobina for no just cause. No more will have forgive. Because I am hitting them with the truth. Honest truth. Only case, something to present at the Zezo. Only case with anybody now proper place, which is authority. Since all this while in Nigeria, he never presented anything to police custody, not talk of court. Because of what? He is using the name of Ogechi to do what? To make money. Ozogudo in Nigeria, Zoharigudo, Zocha, Native Ogechi. Come down for the hardy trace. Come to Abuja. How can you go to Abuja without an invitation? All this useless name and useless women. Ogechi come to Abuja. In one brain. Can you go get Suwe, teacher out there, general police station with no call, no invitation? Jinjin, do you like the petition? Maureen, useless harlot Abuja, do you like petition? So all of you now shout to Abuja. Do you guys have a process? So we'll get to say down on Kwakalo. General Abuja, yes, Ndo Woji na Jinjin Venza so Nandi Abuja with no petition. know nothing. You see how senseless Jinjin is. Jinjin, allow Maryam Justice to be. Jinjin, fight your own case. You don't have a case with Ogechi. Jinjin left. If you have a case, present it. I don't know reason why Ogechi Okeke Njaka just keep quiet about all his pictures and videos in a total page here. Now this is your useless page. Oh, no, to go that page. You can't talk. You can't do nonsense with me. I'm not your friend. I'm your enemy. Automatically, I will bring that page down. I don't know reason why she keep quiet about that. At least he's waiting for a while. Ogechi pictures, Ogechi videos. That is the only thing you do. You don't have any other thing to present apart from Ogechi this, Ogechi that. Maryam Justice this, Maryam Justice that. Jinjin Venza, present your own case if you are not senseless. Only do senseless. Equals good. You present your own case. Overall, there and I'm watching on social media. You have nothing to present. You have nothing against Ogechi Okeke. At least this particular thing you go second money. How sensitive many of you is. Even now, one more could Carisus intimidate. Carisus are in a Kuzio could involve me. Can you be able to intimidate me? Can you guys intimidate Carisus? Or the possible? Oh, not the possible. No, I can't now. Now, because you guys are neganya, although possible. Many of you started avoiding Charistus because what? Charistus is always hitting you guys with the honest truth. If you have a case with Ogechi and the Akagodocha, present it in court. If not, all of you are useless. All of you now fight Ogechi are useless. Unewin direction. We understand the game. Your motive is money. And you have said it that you cannot come out and be shouting for hours without getting money, without making money. You make money from all this nonsense. That is the reason why what? You continue daily. Why with no direction? Because of you are making money. Even little money your fellow people. No, you cut the money because of your hunger and what your envy and jealousy. The love of money, you can never be trusted. Again, intelligent and the useless Kingsley in direction. They cut for your 20,000. You see how wretched you are. Are you now they defend. Now I don't know what I'm just 10 million. Oh, then we're going to 10 million. Maryam Justice good 10 million Yegi. For what reason? Yeah. Now this guy, the kind of mind game he play. Okay, one of the woman I got to go to 200,000 or 500,000. It's here only 10 million. Because of your users saying that coming. On this junction, now. All over goes your one lazy. And those your one lazy game or the realize here that all of you are not fighting for anything good on the Igbo. All of you don't fight for progress of the Igbo. All of you that are fighting for honor. Ihunu gane elite. Ono na gangi off one way or the other. Ne ego. Now she is realizing the reality. On this particular area, Maryam Justice, you posted something today. I think you can see all the pictures I posted on comment section on your program today. You can see that. Why I am posting that is because you make us to understand that you are fighting for cyberbullying, which is a very good movement. Women and so many of them can happen, which is a very nice movement. I encourage you for that. But say, okay, let's know one and one land according. The guy has made the blind that you never see all those things. Then you take that you never see it. That is why I brought it to your doorsteps. We are waiting for your movement concerning what Jinjin Venza, Fiona, and Shalom no more than those on social media. Oh, when I get the question, have Ogechi in any way let there anybody rest in peace on media or take only antididia or go only home with each other? Oh, no, we go, you bring that proof, let us see it. This is one of the proofs we have concerning Shalom and Fiona. Ndị Igbo ka ọwụ, ndị akwụkwọ ndị Imo steeti bụ ụlọ. Anyị chọrọ ka anyị mara ihe ị ga-eme concerning ọnọdụ a. Since you decided that this is what the fight you want to fight on social media. I will encourage you, I will support you on this particular movement. My beloved sister, Maryam Justice, I love you so much. On this particular junction, we are waiting for your reactions towards what Jinjin Venza, Innocent Ihene, Shalom Ifunanye Naha, Fiona, these are from Imo State. Kaimana no state war, Kena fight, Kowo unite ndị Igbo. In a fight, Ogechi Okeke Njaka State, based on it's not cyber bullying and all the rest of them. Now, Kaimana, you get protect is Jinjin Venza, it's Fiona and Shalom commit evil. Now, the case is on your court. I have presented it to you now, and the whole world is waiting for your reaction and what you are going to do about it. We are waiting. You can see it. Omo Oluchidenko, Dindo. They tag all of them less on social media. Oluchidenko Dindo. They tag her less in peace. The husband Dindo. They tag him less in peace on social media. Tag her HIV. Lozrin Chid after that. They tag her less in peace. They tag her senior brother less in peace on media. All her children. They tag all of them less in peace on social media. Numere Shalom and Fiona. We are waiting for justice for them through you because your name is Maryam Justice. Justice with equity. On this junction, we are waiting for what you are going to do to this state of people. If it's to like petition, to deport them really where they are, to look Interpol, because how my community is going to cry and carry impeach and not get committed. It will Interpol show her. Yes, because you are fighting for the evils. You are fighting for your brothers and your sisters. Now we are expecting you to do more. We encourage you for the work you have done, and we are still giving you courage to continue. This set of people have committed a lot of crime. There you go, Omu 191 with Nola, Michigan. Hey, there you go. He's too short, life and direct on social media. These are the evil they have committed. We don't need to be distracted this period of time. Since you have started this journey of bullying children and women, I am in full support of your movement. But you need to be courageous. Those authorities and power you have, you need to use it to do what? To change and transform the Igbo land. Interpol need to look for Jinjin Venza, Shalom, and Fiona, so that we are going to stand on your side at all costs. Truth is the only thing we are going to use to build Igbo nation. There is no other thing. Only truth can do it. And I am among those that stand on that truth. And that truth we are going to use to transform our land. With that truth, nothing good will come in. I am not attacking you. No, I am not attacking you. You are our own. You are our beloved sister. We are here to tell you to continue on this journey you have started. This journey is going to benefit all of us. Yes, someone needs to create a history. Maryam Justice, create this history. Let the world recognize you for that. Not only Ogechi, but let the world recognize you for fighting for the lighting, which stopping bullying children, lighting children, rest in peace. I have a problem with many of them today. It's because I come out and tell them, stop labeling children, rest in peace, they are still alive. Stop labeling these children, one thing or the other. Fiona fighted me. She even tagged my picture with Inola and the children and also with Monkey. Now we because now n'ihe ọ na-eme ụmụ onye ọzọ na-adịrọ mma ọ dịrọ mma. They do all manner of things to me because I don't have money, I don't have connection. Now we have find our sister that have connection to fight this battle for us. Maryam Justice, all these things is on your table. I posted some of them on your comment section today. Look into the matter. Fiona, Jinjinvenza, and Shalom, they have committed a lot of crime. Jinjinvenza was busy some time ago lighting our brother Awaromahia. You know him. Rest in peace. He lights his children, rest in peace. He lights his wife, rest in peace. He lights his mother, rest in peace. Kingsley called Awaromahia sister, recorded the lady, bring it up on media. They humiliated the family. Maryam Justice. Awaromahia and the family also need justice. They need justice. They have done a lot. So on this junction, Jinjinvenza don't have anything to offer in the society. He's a man that is desperate for evil, and we don't recognize him. He is an evil agent of darkness, someone that is frustrated. He wants everyone to be included on his nest. Maryam Justice have warned every one of you to stay away from her, but because of money, you guys always use her as a topic every day, morning, afternoon, and night. You guys use Ogechi every day, morning, afternoon, and night. Because of what? If you don't call the name of Ogechi, nobody will give you money. If you don't call the name of Maryam Justice, nobody will give you money. Maryam Justice has to go to making half an year. That you people should allow her to be on her reign. Let she concentrate on the good things she's doing and see it daily. Every one of you will be calling her out, castigating her, insulting her, doing all manner of things against her for no just cause. Let God have mercy on you, Jinjinvenza. Nkaga Kingsley a useless boy. You know why I always call you a useless boy? You never make points to anyone. You don't make points. Even like from when I call, we will page. You don't make points to anyone. Opuginade contrary to discussion. If I'm listening to a program wherever you call, immediately I will leave there because your ways don't make sense or don't useful to us. You look at the way you are disgracing yourself. Caristus, Onya, Caristus. Caristus is a poor man. You can't call the one you call and I can't Caristus Kagoma in so many ways. I don't know the year you started traveling. I even know why you travel. I have been in so many countries, even Europe. I have been there. Are you getting my point now? I want you to listen, pay attention. A lot of people, many of them don't like to be in Nigeria. They like to be in other countries, African countries. Many of Nigerians that is living in this country, mutual European passport, American passport, but they are here doing business. Are you getting my point? My brother, you have never been in Europe. All those countries you have traveled to, anybody can be there. It's easy to go there. You can ask an agent. Agent American one or two things, who go there. Now, some certain European country, America, Canada, it's not really easy to go there. I have been in Europe. You now challenge Caristus are still in Nigeria since now going 2 years or 2 years plus. And you are black again, you still have a Turkey tax for 2 years, Turkey visa, 2 years. After we challenge the second now. No need to enroll that to Turkey. He's going to give you 3 million. And since then till now, you never travel back to Turkey. Reasons we don't know. Turkey deported you. Much you have to wait for 10 years. Everybody know about the game. You know, they're not challenging no kage. No allegation is no matter why, because you are making money through lies. Scam has become the order of the day in your life. You're not challenging no kage. I don't know. Go like what name for a living. Okay, maybe I don't have enough capital in business. You know, all those kind of things. But I am doing something. You, what do you do for a living? What is your job? If the good see that no, Ogechi Okeke brother, you will see no go to need here gig with their life. You borrowed money from ATM to come live to talk about Ogechi because why? It's your business where you make your money, your daily basis. But this period of time, based on our gospel, many people have realized their mistakes for supporting atrocities in our community. You never come out and expose you to. You said even if that this year, the way you house either no Ogechi to do this year, 6 months ago, no so why the law. The other 6 months, you will your honey game, make them weekend. Ihe ọ na-eme na-anọ n'ime ụlọ everyday na-aka akụkọ Ogechi even time ndị nwa na-eje business to show you that you are useless, you are not listenable enough to find something to do to help yourself. Ọwụlọ nwa ka iji ụlọ niile ịtụrụ ọnụ ị nwere enwe nke ị nwere ka anyị ịtụrụ ọnụ ị na-agba onwe nke ị na-agba. Yahoo is the only thing you do. You scan people for a living. It's scam on internet, it's scam more physical. To the extent again, I said the regular one price the Abuja, a year no get challenge, no get challenge, Ogechi no Abuja, go get no Abuja. Now go in across us of the get by flight in the way now is Abuja. To tolerate go flight is Abuja. Ogechi Okeke in another state. To show you that no way is you not known. Here in your platform will give a way to scan people. Taking for people to believe you, you know nothing true, no truth is in you. Because why? You choose evil more than good. Ogechi na-achụ for all this while you nwere ihe o mere gị nothing. And now fabricate lies. You know, you do your free hair. Ogechi, I forgive you. Ogechi, you do that. No one na-achụ ichi Ogechi need to make money. These are the activities you are doing as a man to show you are not useful to yourself. You are not doing anything to help yourself as an individual. So people that you are talking about is better than you. And on the country, able to do steady and steady. And on the AC. You know how those things. And on the AC. I can't sleep in this country without an AC. But you, common fan, you don't have. Common fan. 10,000, 15,000 naira. Even here, in the life, you hit your not fucking you not fucking an ike. A queen and the sound of AC. Can you hear the sound of the AC about it? To tell you that there is no way you will compare yourself with Callistus. Callistus is far better than you in so many ways. You know, those kind of things. In so many ways, you that are fighting Callistus, now Callistus won't come. No, now you want justice. Go birthday. Now birthday go long. What the will of play? You don't even know when someone is joking with someone and when someone is serious. You know, all those kind of things. And I got those kind of things. You don't even know. Go on, what in the all I want just is send the go we have job. Or go there, go when you get it with Abuja. Is it not our sister call? Oh, sister one minute call. Oh, how did we call? So all those said the problem you see a crime. You see envy and jealousy is the problem many of you have. That is why Guna Jinjin going off sales. Guna Jinjina no ego. Now you don't go to his platform again. You don't come to your own platform. Now fight because intention on money. Intention why all of you come out is money. That is why many of you are evil. When you don't want to decide all that. PJ Fashi will not with you today. And you go intelligent to go you should not study. Intelligent to how to avoid changing venza. Cynthia Mari Aka auto tactic, now to changing venza. Who make go on? I don't know, see they confused to eternity. Because intention will give me ego. Omo you know before Ganilu. Onana heku kudo or ego Kingsley the very, very useless. Very useless human being. Okay, if Fanevozo, the case he to Ogechi, he presented in a court. Do you like any petition against Ogechi? So why are you telling her to Fanevozo? Okay, go to the police station. Okay, to report to Abuja. Any case gonna in Abuja. Any issue gonna have no to settle. Is it not just because you are using her name to make money? All of you are using the name of Ogechi Okeke Njaka to make money on social media. Nothing more. Nothing more. It will go very restless. You don't sleep because if you don't run a live video concerning Ogechi, you will not make any money. If you doubt what I am telling you, Kingsley, run a video, take another topic. Don't mention the name of Ogechi. No one will watch it. Majority of all those people we are seeing here won't do hate Ogechi. They are the one giving you money. Run a program, another program on together. Don't even talk about Ogechi. Man, now only way to you. One of our is now here. But because if you go know this is totally way. One of two the Ogechi allegation nisi. No one and I call on oh no, communicate you here. Ee n'akafe n'Ogechi na isi owere wee gbafọ Jinjinvenza na-ezuzugharị na Kingsley na ọ na-achị isi Imo steeti na across ọnọdụ band niile across God the border she will not go we need Ogechi as ihe a na-echide Ogechi na boot bụ ejebe Ogechi na-emekọ video na-egosi unu environment ya na-ashine nna Ogechi odofuga akpụ egwu na Nigeria ọ na-ashine. They look more beautiful daily. You want to win a in Asia, can they heat every day in their life? They poke Ogechi. No, not AC here. And I come to with me. Now, when go down a flight and go, man, I'm going very expensive. Check even ego flight and go now, really Europe, you don't know. Ego flight, not a Kingsley after is good and aswas. Then the man who got me. Kingsley, since all this what is talking about, have you entered flight again? Even local one. I got to wait see the job in on a second video on flight or maybe two video. Now today is the 20th of January 2025 and on a flight job. Do it again. You don't have the money. All the shame from one when not abaying moto. One night you see for another state, for what reason? By say, even local flight from Benin to Lagos. I just in a video. Local flight. How are you from Benin to Lagos? Where are you from Benin to Lagos? From Lagos to Benin. They are fair. Go the moon you can't even enter local flight. Here they claim Gamma. No get where you maybe business. If not, Ogechi name, no food will come. No food will come. And now compare with the Charistus. You just need to not compare yourself with Charistus. A very hungry idiot to the Kaga. Play your voice note, not Charistus, not Ogechi. Play the voice note, I don't want to. Now you're kidding on a program. You don't know what happened that period of time. Oh, one are okay, yeah. Was the idea how you are going to come? You know, you say now every day is against Charistus and Ogechi. You're a useless boy. But one who believe he because who got him a minute. You know, I thought those tomorrow night, that after they tell Quintin, we have casual Quintin, we have done this Quintin, Quintin, we have one the guy will go down my face, and I call you on a steady, go and burn. That came one team to go to one kg. That's not give one car. You know, those kind of things. No one can say, oh, go to bed. In one not one, but you cannot be able to pregnant a woman. You cannot. So why are you always claiming that nwoke ahụ akwụna ka ọ na-agwa na na-ekiriki ime ụlọ ọbụla na-eshare this video? Nwoke ahụ gịnị akwụna ka dị nwa na-agwa? That is why gịnị he cannot be able to produce every day. Na challenge ndị ụka gịnị asị gị na ọ bụrụ na ị nwetazie nwa by that time anyị dị ikwu okwu man to man, you listen to us. Mana since ị nwetabeghị nwa nwanne onweghị ejikọ gị na gị, ị ka wee boy, you are still a boy. You know, all this nonsense in our coffee in social media, thinking that no one not to go or no will he represent. Oh no, go your poor mentality, environment, ABD, energy, he need to write on social media. The environment where you're living, he rule on a 40 decade now, raw 30 decade now, nature, raw 200 decade now, raw on Abuja. Now, Ijezi Abuja and Eje, instead of you there and co, we're now at your house, Ijekwazi Hotel, to show you don't even have Mokoko na Abuja. People will keep on exposing them. About this social media now judge everybody. You know, the social media which are there. You see what you could today. Ogechi, the point also. No more than one day, and the queen equals so time. You have to go those kind of things. The email on Abuja, Nelo Lonka Abuja, the wrong cause on Abuja because now what I want to Abuja could be. Or don't I come from then if you yourself. Negotiate every thing. Go on, we're going to claim, see, Nelo Kwazun on Abuja. Instead of you go in the live video on Abuja with your house, you just in a hotel, then the live video, even in a dark place. House I need to claim when Kelo. Or on social media, or in the end you want to please somebody, you want to see you as a rich guy, at the end nothing. On a noisy na live video, no na Abuja, with the mirror there, when you go now phone with you will fashion lele, you did that name live video, not why Abuja. If you name will undo jobless, on no Abuja how many days, or when I can business on at least everyone may go to 50,000 every day. I don't think not that street. All the intelligent column business on I don't think not street. They only believe in the name of Ogechi to make money. Only way listening to on they cannot be useless like Kingsley and intelligent column. Do not fight with all their strength to make money. They deceive, no how they deceive. No irrigation, they deceive, no how they deceive to do what? To use the name of God to make money. All no when you Kingsley and intelligent to know they gain in all this. Can you see them all the time talking about Ogechi engineering level? No, because they are making money through that. eziokwu akụ niile nwa. Ọ bụghị everything niile unu fụ na social media ka unu ga-believe. Ndị a nwere their motive. Ndị a nwere their purpose. Their purpose is what? To make money with the name of Ogechi. That is their purpose. That is their aim. And we are here to stop them. You guys must not continue using the name of Ogechi to scam people. People should stop giving them money for evil. Yes. Also, the case, then you can support their case. Is allowed. Followers can support their case. All they have presented their petition, their case with Ogechi. You can support them. But based on all this is Hannah Coffee in the social media, they don't have direction, they don't have case. Everybody know. Even intelligent Tonyo should know very well. That's why he will come out on media and make call. Ogechi is this, the Queen thing. We have arrested Emeka. We have taken him to court, and this, the court is requesting 20 million to focus the case. The lawyer requests 30 million, so they will focus the case. Only anything where support I. Kingsley and everyone say, I can see the account number. Could support for intelligent caller. Intelligent caller is doing a great job and a wonderful job. He is always doing the one going to Abuja Dairy to make sure that Ogechi come to justice and come to book. Yeni na wasi all format of Guinea. Oshi is a format of scam. They know the rules. So that is it. I think we are coming to the conclusion of this evening gospel. When was you're free to call this this lady not one boss lady known as Okafa Nebuankota. If you look at that lady, you will see how useless she is. She's a very useless individual. I say I want to tell that this social media. I want to go like you where. I don't know like game make you miss he game make you have to go. When I come for you, I will even be showing your picture. You have to go one up on your book here, so that you will learn in a hard way. A very useless allot Jeep we they keep weird Abuja everywhere. In Morodi, almost boyfriend. And that boy boss lady. And they 2 years. You see an every boss lady. You will just name it level. Because you want to grow your page. You want to the world to know you. You want your business to be advertised. Why not you humble yourself and follow normal procedures others are following? Must you build your page with negativity? Must you build your business with controversial issues? In answer those kind of things, I want you to genuine. Everyone making a pop and for sitting in the half hour. Can you see all this your travel of a thing? Because I want to travel. Many people can call you. So in the half hour, can you see me? Now from the 80s, you travel and all the rest of them. Man, you are not genuine. How can people call you? How can people come closer to you when you are busy on media castigating Ogechi that did nothing to you? Make a video. Gwagi Sigi, young lady, try to tell us what Ogechi did to you. And also, gwakwa him kinere, kai monitor get sitting here the okwono. Kudochia. Instead of you to do the needful, people after listening to that video, they will come to your page to know what you are going to do, how you are going to present it, so that the world will listen to you. Then you still go on bullying Ogechi daily on your platform. That makes you a fool. You are not listening because you don't have case. If you have your case, you're supposed to present it on the normal process. You don't need to talk too much. Or you serve you present any serve with your lawyer. And you win it no under Maryam Justice. Now community users. Maryam Justice soon no. Do your things. You guys should stop defending her. Or need to defend you. Onejina aka na-egbu career ọnụ. Onye ọ na-fight Ogechi Okeke Njaka for nothing can never sell on this media. You don't know. Go and ask questions. Onye ọ na-fight Ogechi on this media anaghị sell off ma onye ha anaghị end well. Onye nwegoro business okay, no ga worth nothing. You don't know. You call yourself boss lady. The Njaka will destroy your career and your business. All you know na fight Ogechi. You dey know business about traveling, insurance, and all the rest of them. Why not you build a good relationship with people? People like us, we like to patronize you. We will like even to bring customers to you. Not only need you genuine or what you are doing. Then you come on media and they disgrace yourself, thinking that you are disgracing us. Idiot to the academic direction. Everyone on our community, you really want to reply. Anyway, you will be the one to reply. If I post something on my page, you will come there and be saying nonsense. I kept quiet for a long time. I decided today to talk to you. Here you may feel you with somebody where you are nobody. Go and check your mental problem. Iwu onye Igbo. Onwere onye Igbo wee zote onye Igbo na-ezuzu ezuzu. Onye ọ na-ezuzu ezuzu nwere ike ọrụ Mr. Broad. Onye Igbo wee original onye Igbo always stand on the side of the peace at all times.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. God bless you.